Hi, I am Ryan, and today I will be showing you how to draw one of the world's most iconic painting. You can follow me along, or you can just watch. First, we start by sketching. Sketching is one of the most important parts of making a drawing. As you see, I'm just figuring out where my shapes are and what to do. Okay, so now I'm going to start drawing the head, and here's the ears with nice round curves. And then here's the back of the head, right? Finishing off with a hat. That's right. Then have those nice curves there. It's okay, we make mistakes, so I'm redoing the hat. You have the symbol on the hat, and then we start finishing the face. Now we have the eyes, and that's a nose. There we go. And then we add a mouth. Now, as you see here, we are drawing Mario and Sonic. It's one of the two most iconic Nintendo figures ever. Now, first we have to draw them really close to each other. I guess you can tell they're making out. Oh, there goes a mistake. So it's okay. That's why we're sketching. When we make mistakes when we sketch, we can erase and start over again. It's okay to make mistakes. Now, I'm just finishing up Sonic's body, and we'll be moving on after this. Now, I guess we're almost finishing done. Now we just need Sonic's hair, right? Okay, so we need 3 spikes on his head. So, as you can see, we have 3 spikes. Now, the next step is to trace everything with a Sharpie, black marker, so you can see it clearly. Just tracing those eyes, the mouth, right, and then we should be going. So while we're here, a lot of people have been asking me, they're like, Ryan, how are you so good at drawing? I'm like, I don't know, I just draw a lot and I like to draw. And so, let you guys know that practice makes everything perfect. So the more you draw and the more you practice drawing, you'll get better at it. Like me, you know? Yeah. Alright. Think we're almost done tracing with the Sharpie now. And we should be good. Just erase all the pencil marks. And then we'll be moving on to coloring, which is another important step. Now to start coloring, we have to start with red. So Mario's shirt is obviously red, so we have to color that red. And we also have to color his cap red too. Oh, and make sure leave some the blank lines for the color blue. I know, fun fact, red is actually one of my favorite colors because I like red because tomatoes are red. Just wanted you guys to know that. So while we're here, how are you guys doing? That's my question. You can answer in the comment section below, and I'll be right back. And I will respond to your answers. I know it's boring just watching me fill in the lines. Oh, and make sure you know how to draw between the lines, you know the lines. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Alright, okay. Oh, there's a new color. Yes, blue. Um, Make sure you get light blue because Sonic's light blue. No, blue's pretty cool. Blue's a pretty cool color too, you know. And yep, just color him in. Oh yeah, get that nice blue. Oh yes. Okay, yes. All right. Oh shoot, I forgot to do the ears. Yeah. All right. Now I think we need the color pink or whatever, purple. Yeah, just color those lips in, or I mean the tongue. Gotta get some tongue action. Oh, right, and the mustache, and the Mario's hair. Gotta make it brown, because he has brown hair, you know. Just shade it in, or whatever. Yeah, just color it in. I like that color. Right, now we need to make it blue for his overalls. More blue. I think this blue is a little darker than the rest. That's cool. Right, you gotta have the tan colored pencil, the skin colored one. Now you're gonna keep on tracing them in. Wow, woohoo, this is fun. Am I right? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Please send help. I need help. Now, to finish this, we need Sonic skin. Oh, shoot. Shoot. I colored in his eyes. Make sure you gotta leave that white, you know? Gotta have the clear eyes. Now, this is a little trick I learned. Gotta have some color blending, because Sonic's little skin is a little bit darker. So gotta have both orange and the skin color, whatever. Alright, I think we're almost done making our cool picture, you know, drawing. Yeah. So, you just gotta draw, practice, that's all. That's pretty much it. I'm just fixing a few things here with Sonic skin, or whatever that color is. Now, the last thing you need to make sure is to have a signature. So I'm gonna make a signature. So sign it. Masterpiece. Cool. So if you guys like this drawing tutorial, please leave a like, subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned because I'll be making more. Thank you.